Guys, welcome to this video. Today we are going to Fifth Avenue with the whole group. We are leaving our hotel right now, and probably a 15-minute drive there, maybe a little bit more. I'm gonna check out Fifth Avenue, see how it goes. Honestly, not that far of a drive. Actually stay pretty darn close. And we are here at Fifth Avenue, so here we have it, 7-Eleven. Starting to see some worldwide known businesses, and there's the sign for Fifth Avenue. We just take a left and I guess continue walking. Guys, honestly, I kind of came here for tacos. I want some good, genuine Mexican tacos. No.
Big family, big discount.
Lots of little shops on the street, and everyone wants your business. Everyone, see, absolutely everyone. I got it here.
Because almost not have money, that's why.
So you just kind of have to put your head down and move forward. Look at that drugstore, and everything is legal, over the counter, no prescription. Anti-age, babe. Lots of cool little things, hats, sunglasses, Cuban cigars, anything and everything your heart desires. Looks like another drop-off. It's actually very like wet and humid today, so it's starting to warm up, but after the rain. Oh, thank you, amigo.
We have a special low price today. We got the dog. Can we give a brochure?
No, thank you, amigo. This is like a big chain store with a whole bunch of Mexican souvenirs. I don't know why the lights aren't on here. A little bracelet, shot glasses. Very, very minor things that you could take home with you. There's even candy here.
Yeah.
Cigarettes, cigars, some Snickers,
So,
some pictures. What else do they have, Noah? What else?
postings
Okay, okay.
and bed things.
Big things, little things.
No, for bed things too.
Oh. Oh, but this is cool. Look at all this chocolate. Coffee, Caribbean salt, milk. Super promotion. Buy two, get the third one for free. See how much they are. Actually, here's the price. $10 for artisan chocolate. $10 for this. This is actually mad. That is crazy expensive. Wow. Here's the current exchange rate. Look at this little gangster V-dub. It's like a clown size.
How is the vacation so far? Good?
Good.
Any plans for tomorrow?
No.
No plans for now. Thank you.
Silver glasses, Cuban cigars. Yes, I go 14, 18, 24 karat.
Chocolate cafe. And Haagen-Dazs, a favorite ice cream stop when we are in Cancun. Have not had this place in Playa Del Carmen. I don't know if it's even open. Huh?
What do you think of ankle bracelets?
No.
Oh, now you know. Now you know what you need.
Some funky smells out here. I'm trying to figure out what it is. I can't put my finger around it, but it smells funky out here. These are trees down from the storm. view. Everyone is working. Everyone is trimming. Yeah, you guys see this hurricane? Look at that brickwork. Those are cool, huh? Mexican food, Mexican restaurants. Yes, the most awkward thing is just being harassed like every 15-20 feet, if that. You see right there? They offer you pretty much everything from tequila to food to massage to hats to necklaces. Like literally everything. Pretty much whatever your heart desires. I have this one, and then I have that one. Both just wanting almost everything from the store. Security here, don't mess around. Here to protect. I actually really dig those white bulletproof vests. Looks like M4s or whatever. Wife said, let's go in here, looks unique. These are definitely super, super cool. I'm just curious, how would you take one on an airplane? Dang, that's 14,500 pesos. So this elephant is nearly $700. Looks like we're crossing some kind of major street. The ocean is that one we can see it. Forever 21 up here.
I'm good. I had coffee.
Looks like a big mall in here. I would dress like that.
What is this place?
Not a super big mall from what we can see, but it's actually pretty nice and feels somewhat cool in here.
Ooh, here's another layer.
They're trying to figure out how to share.
Can you share with Chloe? Raspberry sorbet.
Nice. Can you share with Chloe? No, Sofishka. Can you give some to Chloe? Mandarina's Cafe. Man, it looks like we're at a wedding or something. We have hit a construction zone. Michael Kors. It's kind of hard to know whether this already started or this was caused by the hurricane like 2 days ago.
Hola family, massage information.
All you need is Coco. There she is. Hi, Coco. Amigo, how much?
$10
$10 for one?
for one. It's that one finished. This one not finished.
Let
I
me see
have
that.
light, medium, and strong. I have vanilla, tequila, whiskey, chocolate, cherry. I have that one.
Amigo, muchas gracias.
A few moments later.
Daily deliveries, and I thought there was no cars coming here.
Spray painting, guys.
Wow, hindi po hindi pa ako sa Davao.
Guys, super dry. Not that good. I almost feel like spoiled or something complaining, but I guess it was only $1, so there's that. I think we are nearly at the end.
I believe you made me walk 5 miles.
And we're taking our final left down to the pier. The pier might be closed. Actually, might be.
Oh, to Cosmo.
We have made it to the pier. It's actually below us. But it looks like this is also a port where you could grab a ferry. Alrighty, we are heading back up, then taking a right, going 1 block and then going to the left, and we should be at that taco restaurant that people have recommended. The kids are definitely tired and exhausted. Ooh, police breaking the law. He does have a backup camera.
Like you don't even got license plate.
Looks like within the last 15-20 minutes something went down. There's a whole bunch of cops here. Whole bunch of bikes here, whole bunch of taxis, and a big bus. There's more cops coming. So something either went down or something is about to go down. This bus driver is letting us through. Cool. And there's even more cops showing up.
There would be like 9 or 10 cops sitting in the back of this.
Now we're big chilling. I'm breaking a sweat. Policia Estatal. Yeah, there's definitely a whole bunch of cops going to that direction. Maybe after we eat, we'll go back there and find out what's going on. Trying to find a taco place.
Where's the OXXO?
Oxo's right there. So this has to be it.
Oh.
This ain't the taco place that was recommended to us. It's actually right by OXXO, the gas station, or like 7-Eleven equivalent. But we see it, so. See everything, amigo. This looks like street food in a little hut type of stairway. Something's definitely going down. No plates or anything. Muchas gracias, amigo. I ain't gonna lie, guys. This does look pretty darn bomb. Like really good. Babe, how's your taco?
It's way too hot. Probably kind of wrecked it a little bit, but
Okay, Alex wanted a taxi.
good.
Good.
That's really good.
Good.
Burrito's really good. But I gotta get some lime. I gotta get some sauce. So I gotta put the camera down and eat with both hands.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Tacos were good. Burrito was actually bomb. For me, that was the star of the show. And now we're starting to make our way back to a taxi, some kind of taxi.
Do you want this?
Actually, some cool toys up in here. Because this is wild, but this might be the first dude I see working out here. Like everyone else we walked by, they're all just chilling. They're just sitting there. Guys, I think we're done. We're tucked away. This was hours. We're all exhausted, so guys, we made it back to our resort. Everyone is tired, everyone is exhausted. A few final thoughts before we end the video. If you're not ready to walk, if you're not ready to spend money, if you're not ready to get harassed by almost every single shop owner or employee, don't go there. A lot of shops are duplicate. There's almost no reason to walk up and down the whole 5th Avenue. It's a cool experience. Honestly, I don't think I'd return there. There's no reason. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you found it helpful and knowledgeable. See you guys in another video.